Hello everyone, welcome to Slaughter's Town. Today we have 3 PJ Masks toys. Because Cat Boy is my favorite. Cat Boy! Now I'll choose first this. Look, the Dodging toy is Cat Boy and Romeo. Okay, let's all together. Got Romeo with the PJ Mask headquarters. Launch snack trap. A mask trap and play set. 2 squishy characters, Romeo and Cat Boy. Hey Romeo, look, it's not just jumping. Look. I tried, it's just jumping. I trapped Romeo. Now we can unbox the cat car. We got Cat Boy with a figurine with a silver mask and this cool cat car. Let's unbox. Let's unbox it, guys. Or you can ask your mom for help. The legs move, the tail moves, the hands move, even the head. Let's go out to fight Romeo. Let's see. Landing found Romeo. He's in a jail. Let's go do this my invention. Trap of the cat. Let's call our headquarters. Yeah, Booby trap. Come on. Now we can unbox the Cat Boy figurine. Even like the regular one copy. Ta-da! Wow! I got 3 figurines now. This one. Oopsie. 4 figurines. I will let you my cat car.